have a little fun today with my Easy Wonder Die number 1. This die was designed by LV Handcrafted here on YouTube. She has lots of tutorials on different ways to use this die. I'm also going to add the Easy Wonder Die number 1 add-on, and I'm also playing with the brand new Easy Card Making Kit Hedgehogs. You can find this digital kit on lvhandcrafted.com. She designed this kit to be used with your Easy Wonder Die number 1. So this is going to make creating with this die super fun. You can also use your add-on die to clip out other items in this kit. So there's more pages. I just printed out the 2 that I'll be working with today. There's a page that you get full of sentiments that go with your hedgehogs. I've already cut those out. If you don't have these dies and you wanted to pick this up, I'll have the link in the description box for you. This die is sold out, the add-on die, but you can use some nested square shapes or circles to clip out the other images in this kit. So the main page is this one here that has the little white line around the box here. That's where you're going to line up your Easy Wonder Die number 1. Now she has 2 different versions. One is a mirrored version. So when we produced these dies, they were produced by 2 different manufacturers. And so some of the dies are flipped the other way. Whatever die you have, you'll just match it up with the correct printable. So you'll want to take the circle and the square and line those 2 up. So just look for the circle and the square and then place those inside the white line. And you're going to want to just add a little washi tape, just get that centered, put a little washi tape so it doesn't shift, and then run that through your die cutting machine. I like to cut this section off before running it through. Actually, I like to cut it very close, like right there, because it's like a 6-inch opening. And then you can take these and use any of your circle dies or your square dies to clip out these little images. So this is a die I had in my stash that fit perfectly, so I thought I'd use that. She does have a new printable coming out, so I'm not sure exactly when it will be released. So be on the lookout. Subscribe to LV Handcrafted on YouTube for all her updates. So this is what it looks like when you cut out all the pieces. I have the little square one and the circle one that was on the bottom. And then these are the pieces that came out from the Easy Wonder Die number 1. So you got all these cool little pieces that look like sweaters, and then 2 cute little images, a little sentiment there. And if you go and trim out all your sentiments, there's some in there. It's okay not to be okay all the time. You could use your circle from your Easy Wonder Die number 1. This one, surround yourself with hedgehogs, not negativity. I'm not a hot mess, I'm a prickly disaster. So fun sentiments. You are allowed to take breaks. And then she did include a bunch of these little banner sentiments that you can cut out with her Ultimate Sentiments die. So this die here, you'll just line that up with all the sentiments in the printable and then cut them out in one swoop. There's also some layering pieces here that you can layer up your sentiments with. So really, really cute. There will be more stamp sets coming out this year, so I'm excited about that. And then I've also printed out this sheet, and I'm going to use this background for an alternate designer paper. So I'm just going to trim this probably in half. So I'm going to get my trimmer out. And I'm going to just trim the white off. So now I'm just going to cut down my paper to 4 by 5 1/4. I'm going to do the same to the other sheet. I have 2 brown card bases. We're going to have a little bit of a border. So we're going to try and do 2 cards at the same time. I'm going to take my square from the Easy Wonder die, number 1, and I'm going to figure out how I want to lay this out. Okay, I think I'm going to do this layout. We'll have that somewhere.
Saturday morning, coffee in hand, cutting up paper, got a big plan. Pulling out stamps, picking a theme, my craft room's buzzing like a dream. Patterns and colors all laid out, glitter and glue without a doubt. My scissors snip, my die cut spin, let the card making fun begin. Card maker's gonna make with a paper pattern shape. Add a bow, a gem, a dot, crafting magic on the spot. Stamp it once, emboss it twice, throw in sparkle.
Okay, so that's my first card. So adorable. Now I have some other pieces left over, so I'm going to think, which ones do I want to use? So that was super cute. This one's adorable. I was thinking about using this. Get well, your craft room calls. So I think I'm going to use that one with this down the middle. Like that. That looks so cute. So all you need is a printer to print out your images. I'm going to use some strips on the side to bring in some shine. I think this rose gold is going to look really pretty with these colors. So I'm just going to put that on the side of this.
In there, card maker's gonna make, spread some joy for kindness sake. Mail it out or tie a tag, wrap it up in a paper bag, mix and match then send it through. That's what card makers do. Yeah, that's what card makers do.
Get well, your craft room calls. So cute. And then I'm going to use these on the inside to decorate the inside. So I'm going to add a piece of white since it's a very dark card base. I want it to be a little bit lighter so when someone writes a message.
Handmade and true. That's what card makers do.
I think that is so adorable. So we have 2 cute cards. So these 2 are more holiday, so they got the little Santa cap on. So I'm gonna save those. These 2 look so cute. I think I'm gonna trim these out with a circle. And then I have a couple of strips left. So I will create a card with that. For the next 2 cards, I took a 3D texture Tim Holtz Sizzix embossing folder, and that's going to be my backdrop. Let's go ahead and glue that on.
Sun peeks in, time to rise. Coffee in hand, rub my eyes. Cattle to my craft room, set the scene. Pretty paper calling me. YouTube's on, I watch and learn. So many tricks, it's my turn. Cut the paper, stamp just right. Oops, smudge ding, that's alright. Her glue on my fingers, glitter in my hair. Making something with love and care. It's not perfect, but that's okay. Handmade's best, that's what I say. mix and match, dig through scraps, find the match. The die cut's lost, it was right here. Oh well, time for plan B, my dear. Enamel dots roll off the desk, ribbon tangled, what a mess. But when it's done, hold it high, look at that, oh my, oh my. Her glue on my fingers, glitter in my hair, making something.
So for this card, I just took a piece of designer paper from one of our paper pads.
That's what I say. Snap a pic, share it now. Friends online, I'll say wow. Every card, a hug in disguise, spreading joy one at a time. Sip my coffee, take a sigh. Tomorrow's project's on my mind. One more cut, maybe two. Okay, fine. I'll grab the glue.
I made 4 cards with LV Handcrafted's Easy Card Making Printable Kit. So here's that cute one. Surround yourself with hedgehogs, not negativity. Added the little hearts. This one, it's okay not to be okay all the time. And then we've got sending hedgehogs. And then on the inside, we have a space to write. And then get well, your craft room calls. Love that. So 4 super cute cards. I'll leave all links down below if you are interested in any of the products I used today. I used the Easy Wonder Die #1 that's in the shop at nottoshabbyshop.com. I also used the Easy Wonder Die #1 add-on. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys!
Her glue on my fingers.